Join me as I dive into the vibrant chaos of Phoolon Ki Holi 2025 and try to survive the ultimate flower fight. Phoolon Ki Holi, or the Festival of Flowers, is a unique spin on traditional Holi celebrations, where instead of throwing colored powders and water, participants throw flowers at each other. This colorful and fragrant twist on the classic festival has become a sensation in recent years, and I'm excited to dive in and explore its significance. Phoolon Ki Holi is a festival of peace and harmony. Organizing a large-scale flower festival like Phoolon Ki Holi comes with its own set of challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is sourcing flowers in bulk. Imagine collecting hundreds of thousands of flowers, all in different colors and varieties, to create the perfect storm of petals and hues. It's a logistical nightmare. And on top of that, you have to ensure that the flowers are sourced sustainably, without harming the environment or exploiting local farmers. Another challenge is finding a suitable venue that can accommodate the sheer number of participants. You need a space that's large enough to handle the crowds, yet intimate enough to create a sense of community and connection among the revelers. And then, of course, there's the issue of waste management. What do you do with all those flowers after the festival is over? It's not just about the environmental impact, it's also about finding ways to repurpose or recycle the flowers in a creative way. Despite these challenges, the organizers of Phoolon Ki Holi have managed to create a truly magical experience that brings people together in a celebration of color, music, and community. And at the heart of it all is the sense of sustainability, from sourcing local flowers to reducing waste and promoting eco-friendly practices. It's a testament to human ingenuity and creativity that we can come together to create something so beautiful and joyful, while also being mindful of our impact on the planet. As I delve deeper into the history of Phoolon Ki Holi, I'm struck by the rich cultural heritage that underlies this festival. It's a celebration that's deeply rooted in tradition and ritual, yet it's also incredibly modern and adaptive. I see people from all communities coming together, sharing in the joy and laughter, and creating new memories that will last a lifetime. The role of community participation is crucial in making Phoolon Ki Holi a success. From the volunteers who help with flower collection to the artisans who create the stunning flower arrangements, every single person plays a vital role in bringing this festival to life. And at the heart of it all is the sense of community, people coming together to create something beautiful, something that transcends borders and boundaries. As I walk through the festival grounds, I'm struck by the sheer energy and excitement that permeates the air. Everywhere I look, I see people laughing, dancing, and throwing flowers at each other. It's a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and sensations that's impossible to resist. And then, suddenly, the music stops, and the crowd falls silent. It's time for the main event, the flower throwing ceremony. The anticipation is palpable as the crowd waits for the signal to start throwing flowers. And then, in an instant, the air is filled with a riot of colors, as petals and flowers fly through the air. It's a mesmerizing sight, like nothing I've ever seen before. People are laughing, screaming, and dancing, completely lost in the moment. And I'm right there with them, caught up in the magic of Phoolon Ki Holi. As the festival comes to a close, I'm left with a sense of awe and wonder at the sheer beauty and joy of Phoolon Ki Holi. It's a celebration that's deeply rooted in tradition, yet it's also incredibly modern and adaptive. It's a testament to the power of community and creativity, and the magic that happens when we come together to create something truly special. Phoolon Ki Holi 2025 has been an incredible experience, and I'm so grateful to have been a part of it. If you've celebrated Holi or Phoolon Ki Holi before, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to check out more of my videos on spirituality and cultural festivals, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay vibrant.